currently at Ringwood right now, and yeah, came here to meet Laura again. I was planning to wait for her here at Ringwood near the station, but I might decide to walk there later. But it's just too cold now. It's 9 degrees Celsius, and I have to wait for her till she finishes her work. I got some food here. I've got some quesadilla and some what you call this? What did I call that? Takoyaki. So there's a lot of food here. I guess I was just hungry when I was there. Oh, by the way, I like to stay here, the Eastland. Yeah, this is Eastland at Ringwood. There's a skating rink there if you want to skate. Also, I just want to test this lav mic, this Tascam DR10L from Dawn. I'm using my microphone though. It's Rode microphone, lovely mark. But yeah, I'm just gonna get in there and just chill because it's really cold outside here. Yep. Currently here at Realm, just like yesterday. I'm just staying in here because it's really cold outside. I'm just gonna wait for Laura here, and yeah, I'm gonna wait for her text. Might eat some of the food because I'm really hungry now, and I need to keep quiet because yeah, it's a library, people are working. I'm also embarrassed to vlog here. Okay, it's Sunday. No, shit. It's Saturday today, and yeah, we just have a cold night last night, and we're heading out to check one house. Though we're applying for one house, which is in Box Hill, we're checking out this house in Croydon. So yeah, let's do this. Inspection, and this thing is blown out. Yeah, it has washer and has a dryer. That's what I'm on. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this in the car. Well, just got back from the inspection. It's quite a drive heading there, but yeah, it's quite far. It's really good. It's big, but it's really just yeah. Anyway, that's heavy bag. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Just went back to bed. I cleaned the couch and I went back to sleep, watching Philip DeFranco and processing. Anyway. How's your Saturday, everyone? Mine's like lightheaded. I'm cooking corn right now. Yeah, cooking corn. It's quite a cold day today. Volume. It's quite a cold day today. I'm heading to the Asian shop to get some food. I'm just bumming at home today after that house inspection we had at Croydon. That house was really far. It was 1 hour away. Okay, now I'm heading to the Asian shop to get something to eat, like getting sinigang mix. I hope there's mangoes over there and everything. You know, the hilaw na mango. But anyway, today's so cold and it's gonna be cold tomorrow also. But yeah, you gotta go. You gotta move. You gotta do something. I need to do laundry also. My God. Anyway, well, let me talk about gears. I'm a gearhead and I want to have a lot of gears. Like. There was one time in my life I was hoarding a lot of gears, but right now I'm struggling, so I'm selling all my gears now. I used to have 9 cameras. 3 of them were film cameras, and that does not include a small point and shoot ones. But yeah, the thing is, when you have a lot of gears, you get confused on what to use. Like, you get to car. Yeah. Oh yeah. If you have a lot of gears, you get confused on what you need to use. Like if I have a lot of lenses, I want to use everything. I would end up not shooting any good photos, or I would end up not utilizing that lens properly. That sucks. Right now, with vlogging, I have this RX100 here, and I occasionally use the 1DX Mark II, and yeah, and I also have the A6500 from Aldine. I like the A6500 because it's so light. It's really good, and you can put a microphone on it. The 1DX is good also, but it's just too big. It's just too heavy. Like, it's not stealthy, but I like the quality of the videos around it. This RX100 I'm shooting at right now, what the fuck? Yeah, it's really good. Also, it's so light and it's so powerful, and it has a flip screen. I can see myself. But the problem is it doesn't have good audio. if this camera has the best audio, I mean, if you can put an audio onto it, I'll be using this all throughout. It has pros and cons. It's so small, but yeah, I want to use everything. I want to use the best thing. I don't know. It's like confusing me. I'm trying my best to use only one camera at a time, and I'm doing it now. And also, yeah, I remember the trip we had at Queensland. I was trying to use only one camera, but I ended up using the A6500. I was trying to use this one here. The A6500 was the backup, and right now it ended up that this camera was just the backup. I was using the A65 more due to good audio. But yeah, sucks to be a gearhead. Freaking cloud out there. It's a freaking cloud. Oh yeah. Okay, just came from the Asian shop, and yeah, I wasn't able to shop a lot of things, or I wasn't able to film a lot of things because I didn't bring any trolley or anything to put this stuff in. Shut up, radio. Anyway, I got some pandesal, and what else do I have here? I got some sinigang mix for good old sinigang on a cold winter. But yeah, so I'll be heading back. Yeah, I forgot my money also. I used my card. It sucks. Anyway, have a good day, everyone. Oh, by the way, I parked at Kohl's, but I went to the Asian shop. Sneaky. Love it here in Glenroy. Okay, let's go. Bananas is bananas. What the fuck? I'm seeing bananas. Yeah, boy. One of the coldest nights in August. It's freaking cold today. Look at the weather behind me. It's so windy too. Damn. Okay, today is one of the coldest nights in July. And yeah, I'm really shaking right now. You can see the weather behind me is like end of the world. It's so cold and windy. But I'm near home now. Also, I just got a lot of mail today. But I didn't get my skateboard. Can you hear the wind? Yeah, I can hear the wind. But yeah, I didn't get my skateboard. I'm so disappointed. But that's life. Anyway, shit, it's really cold. And it's too dark. Gotta cross the road now. So yeah, I'm just close to the house. Oh fucking hell, it's really cold. I look like shit. Letter. Bills. So, need to get inside the house now. Damn, it's really cold. Fuck, it's really cold. Glad to be here. Okay, now I'm at home right now. I just got some batteries for the LED light. This LED light, which is remote control, and it's awesome. Color's not. Anyway, just here to tell everyone. Hold on, we just try to. Okay. Okay, that's much better. I used this light here to diffuse the light. It looks good. It looks good. Anyway, it's kind of bluish though. But anyway, yeah, Victoria today is really cold. It's not even 2 degrees or the lowest of the temperatures. The thing is, it's really windy today. So, yeah, it's really it makes you sick. I've been having, I don't know. But anyway, didn't do much today, so I'll be doing another throwback video. So yeah, throwback video in a few. I'm gonna warm up now and maybe prep some food because Laura's heading home now. And yeah, this will be my light. Check it out. Remote control. I think I had a video of this before. But anyway, that's too blue. Let's put some. Huh, that's really good. That's really good, eh? Oh, might as well keep this one here. Anyway, gotta go back.